Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'd love it if you went ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell. That way you'll never miss out on any of my eyeshadow tutorials or first impressions. So today I decided I want to be a little creative, and with spring right around the corner, I figured why not create something that reminded me of spring. So if you'd like to see how I got this look, then go ahead and stay tuned.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I